Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and storage because nothing records without them. Insert 2 fresh AA batteries or plug a 5V USB power source. Check the battery icon to confirm. Next, insert a formatted micro SD card. This is where files live, so you avoid corrupt takes. Once done, choose input by switching to the built-in stereo mics or select external inputs for XLR. Set the limiter off for cleaner dynamics, and set the file type to WAV for highest quality. Now you dial levels and recording parameters to capture a usable take. Switch to manual gain and slowly raise the input until loudest peaks sit around -6 to -12 dB. This gives headroom and avoids clipping. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match your project, 44. 1 kHz/24-bit for music or 48 kHz/24-bit for video. If wind or rumble appears, enable the low cut filter. If sources are hot, engage the pad. You're ready to record and verify. Plug headphones into the H4n Pro and listen while pressing record. Monitoring lets you catch clipping or noise before you commit. Watch the meters during the take, and when you finish, stop and play back the file to confirm levels and clarity. Once satisfied, save and label takes. Export via USB or remove the micro SD card to copy files. Finally, back up to 2 different locations. This protects your session if a file becomes corrupted or lost.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.